Everything in the universe is made of math, including you. Math is everywhere, from the small details of the cell to the vastness of the universe. Some struggle and the others do excel in this discipline. And to assess knowledge of math, we interviewed different people on their thoughts regarding mathematics.
Difficult. Rene Descartes.
Mathematics is a field that many people shy away from, but there are some who had a passion for numbers and making discoveries regarding equations, measurements, and other numerical solutions in history. They looked for ways to understand the world as it relates to numbers, and their contributions have been very important for their generation and beyond. Here is a brief history about mathematics. During 6000 BC, the early Egyptians used a stroke for units, a halebone symbol for tens, a coil of rope for hundreds, and a lotus plant for thousands. Babylonians during 1800 BC have multiplication tables. Many of the mathematical tablets are problem texts. It is generally agreed that Thales is the first of the 7 wise men of Greece. Thales' theorem and intercept theorem are attributed to Thales. Indian mathematics. From 400 CE to 1600 CE, Indian trigonometry shows that an angle of 1/7 degrees indicates triangle sides with a ratio of 400:1, and the decimal number system is worldwide used today was first recorded in Indian mathematics. Gil Vander Hoek used plus and minus as symbols of operation. Scipion del Ferro discovered the formula to solve cubic equations. Fx equals ax raised to 3 plus bx raised to 2 plus cx plus d equals 0. Adam Riesz discussed the use of Arabic digits and its advantages over Roman numerals. Ludovico Ferrari discovered the formula to solve quartic equations. Francois Viet wrote Introduction to the Analytical Art using letters as symbols for quantities, both known consonants and unknown vowels. John Napier presented the Napierian logarithm. Rene Descartes introduced analytic geometry. Isaac Newton worked on fundamental theorem of calculus and develops his version of infinitesimal calculus. Leonhard Euler. He introduces many of today's familiar notations. Marquis de Condorcet published the essay on the application of analysis to the probability of majority decisions, which is an important work in the development of the theory of probability. Carl Friedrich Gauss, Theorem of Algebra. Nikolai Lobachevsky developed the non-Euclidean geometry, in particular hyperbolic geometry. John Venn introduces the Venn diagrams, which become useful in set theory. Marshall Hall publishes his famous text Theory of Groups. Leonard Adleman, Ronald Rives, and Adi Shamir introduced the RSA crypto system. It is widely used for secure data transmission. Mandelbrot, the fractal geometry of nature, which develops his theory of fractal geometry. Math has become an inseparable part of our lives, and it will continue to grow.